Congratulations everyone for finishing your 11-day ER Shred protocol. This video is to help you all moving forward. This is the time where you can either choose to do another round of the 11-day ER Shred or move into more of a maintenance. And this is going to help you kind of explore options as far as what you can eat moving forward. But again, I'm not saying that these things are things that you specifically can eat. We're always trying to emphasize the importance of figuring out what your body likes. As much as we'd love for somebody to just give us the perfect blueprint, tell us exactly what to eat, when to eat it, how much, that's just not possible. We are all so uniquely different, and it's up to you to figure out what your body loves and what it doesn't love. So I'm going to only give you some ideas, some options, some ways you can be creative, yet at the same time keeping your diet extremely simple. That's what we also want to teach and emphasize. Simple is best. The more foods you start to incorporate, the more problems you potentially run into when you combine different things. So we're keeping it simple, we're getting a little bit creative, we're bringing in some new foods, but it's important that you take the time to try the one food by itself for a couple days to see how you feel. How does your skin feel? How does your gut feel? How is your energy, your mental clarity? Those are all ways that our body speaks to us. And so sometimes we feel like it's too hard to listen to our body, but really it's so simple. Our body speaks to us, so we just have to get better at listening to our body, throw out everything you've been taught about nutrition, and just start listening to your own body. Now for me, I've found that vegetables aren't the best option for my gut. So in the meals and things that I'm going to be showing you, this is part 2. I have I'll put the first video of 5 different meal options that I created and that I've tried out on myself and that I do consume regularly. So I'll put the link to the other video here in the description, but this is part 2 of sharing meal ideas for this ER Shred maintenance protocol. Vegetables are not something that I plan to incorporate too many of, but fruits and simple grains that are gluten-free, that's kind of what the direction that I'm going. My main thing is to stay away from processed foods, sugar, gluten, soy, and corn. So let me go ahead and show you some new ideas of things that I've been eating lately.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities.
I like to drizzle a little bit of honey on it, or sometimes I will take some frozen strawberries, put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds, then mash them up, and that's it. Like, it does not even have to have honey or sugar or anything. It's perfect just as is. But of course, I've also like to add some butter, and then you can just roll it up like this. Make it like a little taco or crepe-like way to eat it. It's amazing. Okay, these next two ideas are not necessarily meals, but sometimes I have been known to eat like a treat for a meal. So the first one I'm going to show you is a cheesecake. It's gluten-free, and we used organic goat cream cheese instead of the regular cream cheese, because I just feel like goat's milk is really nutritious. So this is what we had for our Thanksgiving dinner. We made our turkey, and we made this cheesecake, and it was amazing, and it still felt like we got to celebrate the holidays and indulge in something really delicious and sweet. So this is something I think should be saved more so for like a special occasion. So on the holidays, when you feel like you want to have the treats and it feels like the time of the year to indulge, this would be the best option. You can bring it to family dinners, anything, but it is amazing, and totally didn't feel like I was missing out on anything by having this cheesecake. And then the next one is Jello, or like gummies, like whatever you want to call them. I've been making these for years actually, using Great Lakes gelatin. It's grass-fed, and I really love this as a special treat, especially this time of year for summer. It's cold, I love the texture, so I've been using the Hydrate to flavor it. I've been experimenting with all different flavors, but it's super easy to make. You can double the batch, triple the batch, so that you have a lot on hand in the refrigerator, and it's just a great source of collagen. Can never get enough collagen, right? I'm obsessed. Anytime I can get collagen in, I am all about it.